Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove background in Affinity Designer. So what you'll need to do is basically go to the left side, and here you'll see eraser. Make sure to select background erase brush, and after that right here you'll be able to select size of it, and right here you'll be able to select transparency, flood, and hardness. So basically how you can remove the background. So if you click on this one, and if you zoom in, basically what you'll need to do is select the background, and right here you'll see that you can remove, as you can see, you can remove the background like this. So click with the left click of your mouse, and like this we will be able to remove the background. As you can see, you can right here brush like this, and basically that's how you remove a background. So with this one, just remove background around corners like this, or in my case around mountains. And after that, if I want to delete all of the sky, what I can do is choose eraser and just brush like this, and that's how you basically remove a background. So use the background eraser for various angles and corners, and for the basic removal just use eraser. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.